Materials we used:
a bottle of purified water,
a freezer.
and a clear glass.
First, we placed the bottle of water in the freezer.
Then we let it sit for 2 hours and 45 minutes. When you pull the bottle out of the freezer, it should not be frozen. When there's no impurities in the water, it gets stuck in its liquid state, even if it's below its freezing point.
Since the water in this bottle is a liquid, its properties are that it has a definite volume, an indefinite shape, and that the particles are free to move in a container but remain in close contact with one another. This water will stay a liquid until something comes along to nucleate crystal growth. Nucleation is the process of a crystal starting. The water in this bottle is below its freezing point, so when we sharply hit it against the table, it triggered impurities that caused ice crystals to form. These impurities act as nucleation sites, allowing for a crystal to grow. The water is supercooled and actually wants to freeze. It just needs a little help getting started. As you can see, the water is frozen and is a solid, which means now it has different properties. The properties of a solid are: they have a definite shape, a definite volume, and the particles are packed tightly together.
In our second test, we poured the water into a glass. We did this very carefully so the water would not freeze up in the bottle. The glass had an impurity in it at the bottom, so what happened is the ice crystals started forming off of there. Dust or even a scratch in the glass can get a crystal going.
Our third test was similar to our second. These ice crystals began to nucleate off each other and they formed a miniature ice sculpture. In slow motion, you can easily see that the ice crystals build off each other. When Alyssa placed the ice cube in the glass, it created an ice tower. This is because water molecules like to pack themselves together on a crystal that's already gotten started, which in this case was an ice cube. As you can see, this experiment demonstrates the change from a liquid to a solid and shows the properties of two of the three states of matter,